Transition to net zero is a very important question. In fact, this is one of the biggest challenges our economy will face in the future. In 2015, during the COP21, our world leaders have agreed to maintain temperature below 1.5 degrees above pre-industrial levels. But we're way off track. We need to decarbonize by 50% in 2030, tomorrow. And we need to reach net zero by 2050 if we want to maintain our targets of the Paris Agreements. The good news is that most economies and a lot of companies have already a decarbonization plan. In fact, 125 countries and 80% of the economy have net zero targets in place. This is good news, as I said, but this is not enough. And there are enormous amount of changes that need to happen, and fast, if we want to succeed. In fact, we think that market forces and investors will be the big drivers of change. Our economy is already in transition towards net zero. It's not happening fast enough. So the question will be very simple. Is my portfolio fit for the transition or not? Climate change poses both risks and opportunities. A $5.5 trillion opportunity. We will still need those hard-to-change industries such as cement, transport, and energy. And investing in low-emitting companies won't be enough. We need to find the company that have an ambitious plan to decarbonize. Those will be the ones to thrive on the race to net zero and will provide the returns for investors. Well, we could look at carbon footprints that companies are usually publishing, but these are historical data. We need to be able to analyze future trajectory of the company. And for that, we had to develop our own analytical model that will allow us to calculate the transition pathway for 23,000 companies. And this model is in 4 steps. Step 1, review carbon footprint. Step 2, calculate the company's future emission trajectory. Step 3, adjust for industry regulatory pressures to decarbonize. Step 4, align portfolios toward net zero. Our methodology is called Lombard Odier Portfolio Temperature Alignment. One simple score tells you if the company is on track to meet the goals of the Paris Agreement or not. Our methodology is recognized by the Task Force for Climate-Related Financial Disclosures as a leading approach.